Now we have taken a tuple. In this tuple, we have 6 elements. We are using the for loop to print all these 6 elements whenever the index x is 0, AMDV is printed, like that all elements in the tuple are printed. This time I am giving a condition in this program. If x is equal to the value of, if x value is equal to Polytechnic, then I am telling to break. What is this break? Generally we have two terminologies, break and continue, we can use in the loops. Whenever I am using the break, I am telling to immediately exit from this loop. The control of the loop is transferred outside, so we are getting out from the loop immediately. We are getting out from the loop. Next iteration, there is no chance for the next iteration. So when I am telling okay, see, when the value of x matches with the Polytechnic, you do not perform the next iteration, you immediately exit from the loop. So first AMDV is printed, next Polytechnic is printed. While printing, after printing the Polytechnic, the value of x matches with the Polytechnic, so the control is exited from the loop. Remaining elements are not at all printed. We will see. We are executing this. You can observe here only 2 elements are printed, AMDV and Polytechnic. We will do one thing this time. We will place this Polytechnic after this 9.8. So if our logic is correct, now we can expect AMDV and ECE and 9.8, these 3 elements to be printed. I have taken the comma 2 times. Okay. Now we are executing this. You observe this. AMDV is printed, ECE 9.8, Polytechnic. This is how we use the break statement. Like when we use the brake to control the vehicle, we can control the execution of the loop by using this break statement. Also, there is another control statement which is called continue. Now we will use the continue. What this continue means? There is a small difference between the break and continue. Whenever we are using the break, all the next iterations are not performed. But when we are using the continue, it skips only the present iteration. Remaining iterations are performed, only the present iteration will not be performed. So to make you understand better, I am taking this print. I am giving the print after the condition. So indentation is important here. So the indentation of if should match with the print text, yes. Now what I am saying is, first AMDV is printed, EC is printed, next 9.8 is printed. When the x value is matching with the Polytechnic, we are saying do not print the Polytechnic, instead of continue to the next iteration, means do not execute the remaining lines. I am saying continue. We are saying do not execute the next, all the next lines. When? Only when the x value matches with the Polytechnic. When the x value is 1 plus 2, say, I do not have any problem. This is also we are using the, this is how we can control by using break and continue the loop execution. Now, if our logic is correct, we are expecting AMDV, EC, and 9.8 to print, and Polytechnic will not be printed because we are telling when the x value is equal to Polytechnic, continue, do not print, do not execute the next lines. Okay, we execute this. You observe AMDV and ECE and 9.8 and 1 plus 2 say 10, all values are printed except the Polytechnic. This is how we use the break and continue statements in the Python.